Have you ever wondered how wind turbines work and generate electricity? They harness the power of the wind, an abundant and renewable energy source, and convert it into useful electricity. These monumental structures play a pivotal role in our pursuit of clean, green energy. They stand tall, their blades spinning in the breeze, capturing the kinetic energy of the wind and transforming it into electricity. So how exactly do these towering structures turn the breeze into bright lights and buzzing appliances? Let's find out. To understand how a wind turbine works, you need to know its main components. First, there are the blades, shaped to catch the wind just right, causing them to spin. These blades are attached to the rotor, which also spins when the wind blows. Next is the nacelle, a large enclosure that sits atop the tower. It houses the generator, gearbox and other vital components that help convert wind into electricity. The tower, often towering over 100 meters high, supports the blades and nacelle. Its height is crucial as it allows the turbine to reach stronger, more consistent winds. Lastly, we have the foundation. It might not be visible, but it plays a key role in keeping the turbine stable. Think of it as the anchor, keeping the towering structure grounded against strong winds and various weather conditions. With a basic understanding of the structure, we can now delve into the step-by-step process of how wind becomes electricity. The magic begins when the wind starts to blow. As the wind sails through the air, it meets the turbine blades, causing them to rotate. This rotation is transferred to the rotor, which is linked directly to these rotating blades. As the rotor spins, it starts to convert the kinetic energy, the energy of movement from the wind, into mechanical energy. This is the energy of movement within the turbine itself. Now, we have mechanical energy, but how do we turn that into the electricity we use every day? This is where the nacelle comes into play. Inside this protective housing, the rotor's rotation, driven by the force of the wind, is transferred to a gearbox. Now, what does this gearbox do? It acts like a speed multiplier, increasing the rotational speed of the rotor. This high-speed rotation is then transferred to the generator. The generator is the heart of the wind turbine. It's here where the magic happens. The mechanical energy, which is the movement from the rotor, is converted into electrical energy. This transformation is a result of a process called electromagnetic induction. In simple terms, as the generator spins, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field then induces an electric current. And voila, we have electricity. This electricity is then ready to be utilized, so we've generated electricity. But how does it get from the turbine to our homes? The journey of the electricity isn't over yet. Once generated, it travels down through cables housed within the tower. It then reaches a transformer, a crucial component that adjusts the voltage of the electricity. This adjustment is necessary to match the voltage of the power grid, ensuring a smooth and effective distribution of power. This way, the electricity generated by the wind turbines is efficiently delivered across distances, ready to light up cities and towns. Now we have electricity ready to power our homes and devices, but how efficient is this process? Wind turbines are quite efficient, but they do have their limits. The speed of the wind significantly affects their power output. There's a sweet spot called cut-in speed, where energy generation begins, and a cut-out speed beyond which it's unsafe to operate. Harnessing wind energy has significant benefits, especially when it comes to our environment. Wind turbines are more than just power producers. They're champions for the environment, producing zero emissions. Being a renewable energy source, they contribute to sustainability by harnessing the wind's power, a resource that never runs out. So next time you see a wind turbine, you'll know the incredible process happening inside that turns wind into electricity.